In this video, I'll show you how to set up Pinterest tag on Shopify. First, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, click Settings and then select Customer Events. Next, click Add Custom Pixel if you want to install the Pinterest tag manually, or visit the Shopify App Store and install the official Pinterest app for a simpler setup. After that, sign into your Pinterest business account and copy your Pinterest tag ID. You'll find it in the Pinterest Ads Manager under Conversions and Tag Settings. Now, return to Shopify and paste the Pinterest tag ID into the Pinterest app or your custom pixel setup. Save your changes to connect Pinterest with your store. Next, verify that the tag is working correctly. You can use Pinterest's Tag Helper browser extension or check your Pinterest Events Manager to confirm that events are being received. After that, test your store by visiting product pages, adding items to the cart, and starting a checkout. This helps ensure that Pinterest is tracking customer actions properly. Finally, monitor your Pinterest Ads Manager to review conversion data and measure the performance of your advertising campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Pinterest tag on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.